Yeah, guys.
Hey, well, man.
This way, the guys.
Shot, brother. Brother.
The flag.
Always, brother. Always. That is it. Chicken right?
Come here, go down a lecture and come back.
Okay, guys. So I just got this package. And I'm gonna cut it and see what's inside. You get me? I'm gonna try my best not to cut myself this time. Okay. Put the knife in this one and hold the camera with this one. See me, guys, I don't have no one to hold the camera for me. Yeah. You know what? Make I cut this open and then get back to you guys. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I know what's inside of this box. You get me? It's two stuff. One is for me and one is for my friend. So this stuff is custom. You can see my name is on that one. My friend name is on this one. Okay. Wow. Yeah, guys. Wow, this shit heavy. Wow, custom, custom, guys, custom. See the Jamaica flag? You see the Canada flag? Oh, yo, I love this. I love this. Wow, guys, I love it. I love it. Oh my God. They did such a great job. Yeah. They did such a great job. Guys. They did such a great job, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is where I got my custom jacket from. I'm not gonna lie, it worth every single dollar. So you can look them up on Instagram. Yep. That's it, guys. Yo, I'm telling you, man, I love it. I love it. They did an awesome job. Awesome job. Yep. CG just come pick up him thing there. You see me?
I give you a fuck.
That is it. One umbrella.
Yo, Davey, dog.
Yep.
Boom.
Logo bad panic, you know, man.
Hey, well, man. Davey, dog.
That is it. Yeah, guys. So this is the jacket. You see right here on the jacket, it's fully protective. Right here, fully protective also. You get me? So you know I'm a Jamaican, so I have to have the Jamaican flag, and I'm a Canadian citizen, so I have to have the Canadian flag. You get me, guys? So yeah, and inside of the jacket now, this is where, hold on, I can also put my phone. I can store my phone in here when I'm riding. I also have a next part right here. You get me? Where you can store more stuff. And guess what? I just find these. I never know that these was in it. Yo, these guys are something else. The guy they put an extra Canadian and Jamaican flag inside. Yo, Jaja. Yo, I just saw this zipper and I said, you know what? Pull it and show you guys and watch. Watch will I find. But guys, they did an excellent job on it. In the back, you also have a pad in the back also for your back. You get me? I'm not gonna lie, guys. My whole views on the jacket, I think it worth more than what they charged me to do the jacket. I'm not gonna lie. And it come with a little hanger. You can hang it up. And right here at the sleeve also come with a zipper right here. Zipper right here, you can sit down. You get me, on both sides. Yep. But overall, guys, it's a good jacket. It's a good jacket. If you want your custom jacket, these are the person you should link for your custom jacket. These guys right here, bro, they did an excellent job. So I'm gonna leave a link in my bio so you can go and check them out, and I'm also gonna leave their telephone number so you can DM them on WhatsApp and just tell them Askiel45 sent you because you watch my video and you see my jacket and you want a jacket too. I'm not gonna tell you the price for this jacket. Just DM them, message them, and they will give you a quote for your jacket. They ship anywhere you're at in the world. So that's it. That's it, guys. This is my jacket, and I'll also show you. I'm gonna show you my friend jacket again. This is my friend jacket. So you see, very nice, and you can see this guy. This guy have all his logo and his name, everything. Yo, this guy love his jacket. As you can see, he just keep on smiling. That's it. Driver, just feel the jacket there. I'm a fool. Brother, the thing well custom, bro.
Why not make you everything? Brother, I need one of this dog.
Yo, this ain't everything, brother.
All the thing me that want, right, so? Me that want this one. At them.
Yeah, brother, anything you want in that, then can put in that, brother. Anything, bro. Anything. You see it?
But me that want to at them, right, so? At them.
Any which part you want it, man. This way the guys.
Shot, brother. Brother, jacket.
Check out the jacket. See the jacket, brother. See Gia, check out the jacket, yeah? Custom, man. I want to tell you some order for the place. Yeah, brother. Okay. That is it. So yeah, guys, African just link up to come check out the jacket. You get me? I'm hear your views for the jacket. African, look for the jacket, man. Hold it.
The jacket looks bad now. Is it? Matches the color, is it?
That is it.
Always have the flag.
Always, brother. Always. My African say body name must know said God. Yeah, man, and the material.
Material, take that.
See, brother. You get me? Then do a good job. No lie, bro, ski. And say you have the Askiel45 at the back and can put your phone in there, so. Yeah. Yep. Comfortable and nice, man. That is it. That is it. Yep. For Africans, the jacket up, you know, say the jacket up. You get me? Yeah. No joke thing. Yeah, people, as me say, this is not a promotion for the guys them that make my jacket. You get me? Nah, me I do this out of love and respect, because yo, when somebody do a good job, bro, you have to talk about it and tell people about it. You get me? Me have a custom jacket, one of my friend have a custom jacket now, driver. I got order for him custom jacket, so you must know. You get me? These guys are doing a good job. You get me? Yeah. Right now, I'm not to the light. I feel like investing in that company. I swear. I forgot DM them, link them and say, yo, I don't want to invest that because I know, yo, that company are going to take off like storm. Yo, I must say, yo, the jacket, I can't feel no breeze, no nothing, just comfortable, yo. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. These guys did a good job when they come onto this jacket. Later, bro, like the price that I pay for the jacket, yo, to me, it's worth more than that. I swear, yo, the quality, everything, bro. I'm riding my bike, yo, it's just, yo, I feel like I'm already like one of those guys on the track. That's what I feel like when I'm in this. It's just feel good, yo. The material, everything just on fleek. You get me, guys? Yo, I swear, man. If you don't have a customized jacket, link these guys up. They can make you one with any color you want, any detail, any design you want, they can do it, man. I swear. I love it. I love it. Red and black go with the red and black bike. Can't get better than that, guys. I just need to change my helmet and my gloves now. That's it. And guess what? For all you guys that may be thinking I'm getting some form of discount, and no, bro, I'm not getting no discount from these guys. Nothing, bro. You get me? I just on Instagram one day and I was looking for bike jacket, and you know when you start searching for stuff over the internet, you see stuff start popping up, and I see these guys popped up on my Instagram, and I say, you know what, go and check them out, and I DM them and everything, and they start sending me some design and everything. Yo, at first I think these guys was a scam. I was like, should I send my hard work money go give a bunch of people that I don't know? But guess what, risk was meant to take, and I take that risk and I never regret it. And my friend also take that risk and he never regret it, because he get a fully custom jacket, you get me, with his name, his logo, everything, you get me? So yo, bro, you can wear this jacket go in the mall, you can wear this jacket go in the party. Yo, I feel like Michael Jackson. I feel like even Michael Jackson walk in this jacket. Yo, Java, how the jacket look?
Are you put on the logo upon it?
And them do everything, brother. Yo, come out and say I like. Let me see what I got.
Where get that jacket there?
No, order, brother, online.
Ooh.
Look, check out the thing, Java.
Wish.
Check out the thing. Online, brother.
Put all the name
Everything, dog. You know, see, I have genuine leather, everything, bro. Name, logo, everything, brother.
Brother.
You know, see?
Other one for me, dog.
You see me? Match my bike and everything, fam. You get me?
Other one for me.
That is it.
Yo.
See, driver order for him to get right now.
At them.
Yes.
Out there at them, you hear that?
Alright. So, driver say, need a jacket. As him see mine, he must say, yeah, need a jacket. Yeah, leather well up and, bro, me a ride driver and I feel like, me not feel no breeze. The thing just feel comfortable, fam.
Oh, full black one.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, guys, so boom, driver go order fee money, you know, it go. Fully custom. Catch a Jamaica flag. Catch a Canada flag. Custom. Long time I tell her say yo, buy a bike, dog. Like an image, dog. Front brake, a front brake, I kill a dog. Front brake, you fling your money.
You know, like OG in the back brake up on the pedal.
The funny pedal, the man see back brake up. Oh man, actually in a Euro street, man. Once I get Euro street, Simbo 1 2, dog. I'm not telling you.
That's what the big bike.
Simbo 1 2. She can ride?
Come here, go down a lake shore and come back.
See one of all the red boot, red and black boot match by the dog. You see me? A new chat. Brother bike nice dog, not tell a fan but nice.
Nah, job of
Like custom jacket, this is not dog, what do you think about the jacket? You see me? Well, padded up on everything dog. Yes dog.
I want to knuckle them though.
Yeah. You wanna oh yeah me at this
You
big
check
guy.
it out.
I'll know whether I'm check him. I'll check him on the weekend. Is it? I tell her dog,
What kill it with them, huh?
bite fit your dog.
You see through most man stays up.
Like image dog.
Blood clot.
Like image. Like image.
Yeah, girl, the front brake